In this video, I want to show you the power button location on your Philips Roku TV. So this is my TV. It's a 32-inch. Maybe yours is bigger. If you turn the TV this way, you're going to see in the middle over here, this is where the power button is located. It's a very small one. Maybe on your model, it will be on the left side or right side. So take a look over there. And this button is actually more than a simple power on and off button. If you press once on it, you're gonna see a menu appearing, okay? Do not keep it pressed, simply give a small tap. Whatever is highlighted in that menu will be selected automatically once you do not touch that button anymore. So if I tap multiple times, you'll be able to shuffle through the different options. So you have HDMI 1, 2, 3, AV, turn off the TV. And even if you want to use live TV or go on the home, you can simply, okay, leave it highlighted and that option will be the one that is selected. So if you want to turn it off, simply press on it another time until turn off is selected. Wait a few seconds and the TV will shut down. Now, if you want to power back on your TV, you simply need to tap that button once. You don't need to keep it pressed and it's powering on by itself afterwards. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.